the little guardian of Earth. Leo the squirrel loved his beautiful green forest, but one day he saw something terrible. Trash was everywhere. The river was dirty and the trees were covered in plastic. "What happened to my home?" Leo whispered, feeling sad. Leo wanted to help, but he was just a small squirrel. "What can I do?" he sighed. Then he had an idea. He started picking up trash one piece at a time. Soon his friends, a rabbit, a bird, and a hedgehog, joined him. Leo and his friends worked hard, but the trash kept coming back. "We need to teach everyone to take care of the forest," said Leo. They made signs, talked to animals, and even sang songs about protecting nature. Slowly, more animals started helping. After many days of hard work, the forest looked beautiful again. The river sparkled, the trees were green, and no more trash was left behind. "We did it," Leo cheered. The animals celebrated, knowing they had made a big difference. This is a story about protecting the environment and the power of small actions. Leo, a curious squirrel, discovers that his beautiful forest is being polluted. At first, he feels helpless, but with the help of his friends, he starts cleaning up and teaching others about taking care of nature. Together, they prove that even the smallest creatures can make a big difference. This story teaches children about responsibility, teamwork, and loving our planet.